Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Find My and checking whether the AirPods Pro case appears or has a last seen location. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are on so your phone can detect a nearby signal. If the case shows a recent spot, head there first. If it doesn't, don't pause. Prepare to use Bluetooth scanning and retrace likely routes immediately while your phone stays active and ready to pick up any connection. You now engage active locating tools. If the case supports play sound or precision finding, trigger those from Find My and move slowly, following directional cues or listening for tones. If it doesn't, run a Bluetooth scanner to reveal any nearby device identifiers. This helps in crowded or metallic environments. Continuously check common hiding places, coat pockets, car seats, couch seams, and use another person to call your phone while you scan, because movement can wake a sleeping connection and reveal the case. You finish by retracing your final steps methodically. Scan each room, bag, and vehicle compartment in a consistent pattern so nothing is skipped. If the case remains undiscovered, mark it as lost in Find My and enable Notify when found. This records the serial and alerts you when it appears again. If these measures fail, contact Apple support with the case serial number for replacement options, and consider filing a local lost and found request where you last used the case.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.